My name is Elise DeHost, and I am the lower school science teacher here at Graland. Trout in the Classroom is a national program that helps populate different fish groups, and depending on your area you're in, you are assigned a fish species that needs help in just general stocking of fish to make sure that the ecosystems stay in balance. Our 4th grade curriculum focuses on water quality. In previous years, we've done curriculum around stream ecology, and part of stream ecology is looking at different chemical levels in the water. It's hard for a 4th grader to grasp the concept of pH and nitrates and nitrites, but when we're explaining it in the context of the trout tank, it becomes a lot more easy to visualize because they're seeing the effects of food waste and fish waste, changing the levels of nitrates and nitrites in the tank. Trout Scout is a 4th grader who is in charge of helping take care of our trout tank here at Graland. They are truly taking ownership of the tank, checking the water chemistry every day, which involves using test strips and checking different chemical levels like the nitrates, nitrites, ammonia, and pH. They're also checking the temperature of the tank, making sure that all of the systems in the tank are functioning, and then additionally the trout get fed 3 times a day, so they're measuring out really tiny amounts of food and monitoring the fish to make sure everyone's eating and healthy and happy. Through the Trout in the Classroom program, Graland students are living the learning by taking care of the tank, applying science to real-life situations, and then eventually releasing the trout and sharing their information with the greater Denver community. We'll have an information booth at the trout release, and they'll be able to teach the community what they've learned about the trout. They really are very proud of what they've accomplished. During release day, the trout are going to make their way in buckets over to Littleton to River Run Park, where they will be released into the water. When they're in the water, they're off on their own in the wild, so they might become food for other animals. Some might survive to become adult trout who will lay their own eggs, but really this is part of Colorado's stocking program in order to maintain a healthy ecosystem, allow people to still fish and eat rainbow trout while maintaining populations. I hope it's a memory that they carry through their time at Graland, but I also hope it really instills how fragile our stream ecosystems, especially here in Colorado, are. They see how much work it takes to maintain our tank. Thinking about how little changes in the water can affect the fish health might help them think about pollution impacts in the future.